What is golf all about? Focus, determination, challenging yourself. And that's precisely what we at BDX stand for. So, welcome to the BDX Open. For us, golf is not just a sport. It's a chance to bring the right people together, sharing the passion for the sport. Bounce it. Making every day of the experience unforgettable. Bounce it. BDX Open is where curiosity meets passion, connecting the right people, creating opportunities. Enjoying the individual challenge of every round. Shot, putt. Leaving your comfort zone in every aspect. Sharing this experience together. We want to break down barriers, make it possible for anyone to experience the spirit of the game, being the flight partner we all wish for. The BDX Open is our commitment to our passion for golf. So in the end, what is it all about? Celebrating together, bringing our love for the game to you without prejudices. The BDX Open, the golf experience you will never forget. See you in 2023.